back to MorewaTV. It's your girl Morewa, and today we are going to be preparing homemade fluffy pancakes. To my subscribers, welcome back, and to those who are just tuning into this channel, welcome back. Welcome to MorewaTV. Today we are going to prepare homemade fluffy pancakes. My subscribers, a lot of people have been asking for this video, so today I decided to make some homemade fluffy pancakes. You are going to enjoy it. It's going to be delicious. And please don't forget to subscribe, give my video a huge thumbs up, and turn on post notification bell to be notified when I upload any new video. And please don't forget to comment down in the comment section to tell me if you love my videos and what other videos we should post next. The ingredients you will need for the fluffy pancakes are flour, sugar, salt, milk, baking powder, melted butter, unmelted butter, some eggs, and date syrup. It is time to crack the eggs. And please don't forget to subscribe, give my videos a huge thumbs up, and turn on post notification bell to be notified when I upload any new video. And please don't forget to comment down in the comment section if you like my videos and what other videos I should post next. It's not good to crack eggs together because one might be good and one might be bad. So that is why it's not good to crack eggs together. Please like, subscribe. Now we can add our milk. Now it is time to add our melted butter. Now we whisk till smooth texture. As you can see now, I'm mixing everything together. Now it is time. Now I am through with whisking everything together. Now it is time to add our sugar into the flour. You don't have to add a lot of sugar. It depends on the quantity of flour you are using. Now we can add a pinch of salt. Now we add some baking powder to make it fluffy, to make the pancake fluffy. Now we mix everything together till everything is mixed in together smoothly. Please don't forget to subscribe, give my videos a huge thumbs up, and turn on post notification bell to be notified when I upload any new video. And please don't forget to comment down in the comment section if you love my videos and which video I should post next. Now I have mixed everything together. It is now time to add the egg mixture into the flour. Now we mix thoroughly till everything is mixed together until smooth texture. You can add water if you want it smooth, and if you don't want it to have any lumps. Now we continue mixing to smooth texture. Mix together. Now we are going to add some water into the batter so that it can be smooth. It will not be too thick, so that it can be light, so that you can enjoy it. The pancake is going to turn out so yummy. You can add more water if you like. I want my pancake smooth and it must not have any lumps. Now we mix everything together. Please don't forget to subscribe, give my videos a huge thumbs up, and turn on post notification bell to be notified when I upload any new video. And please don't forget to comment down in the comment section if you like my videos and which videos we should post next. Now our pancake is ready to be fried. We can add more water if it's too thick. Now it is time to fry. Now it is time to fry. Make sure your pan is well heated before you add your butter. Now you can see our butter is getting melted in the pan. Make sure your pan is well heated before you put in your butter, like I'm doing right here. And please don't forget to subscribe, give my videos a huge thumbs up, and turn on post notification bell to be notified when I upload any new video. Now we have added our butter. We can add more if you wish to, so that your pan can be well oily. Now it is time to add our pancake, our batter. Now we can pour in our pancake. Now we have added our batter and wait for it to fry. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, give my videos a huge thumbs up, and turn on post notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And please don't forget to comment down in the comment section which video I should post next. Now we continue waiting till our pancake gets fried. Now it is time to flip our pancake. And please don't forget to try this out at home. Kids will love it. And please don't forget to send me some pics of your homemade fluffy pancakes. The link is down below. Kids will love it. It's going to be delicious. Try this out at home. Now it is time to flip. Wow, it looks delicious. So please don't forget to try this out at home. As you can see, guys, it's getting ready, as you can see right now. Now we can flip once it gets ready. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notification bell to be notified when I upload any new video. Kids will love this. Better try this out at home. Now we flip once again. Whoa, our pancake is getting burnt. Now it is time to remove it from the fire. The pancakes are fully prepared, as you can see right now. You can add your toppings. I'm going to add date syrup, but you can add maple syrup, chocolate syrup, berries, and yogurts. You can serve with drinks, juices, beverages, and so on. Now, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and give my videos a huge thumbs up, and turn on post notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And let me know your feedback in the comment section. Now I am going to add my date syrup and try my homemade delicious pancakes. Wow, it's good. It looks delicious. Now it is time to spread. Now I can taste it. It looks delicious. Adults will love it, children will love it. Delicious. You better try this out at home. It's yummy. Adults will love it, children will love it. It's very tasty, highly nutritious because it has butter, milk. So please don't forget to subscribe, give my videos a huge thumbs up, and turn on post notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. See you guys next time. Bye.